Yo, drivers, we've all heard it a million times. Don't drink and drive, buckle up, put your phone down. We get it. These are all important. But sometimes, haven't you felt like, yeah, heard it all before? These warnings feel like old news. It's like your grandma telling you to eat your veggies for the millionth time. You know it's good for you, but do you always listen? Not really. We think it won't happen to me. But here's the thing, folks. Danger on the road sometimes comes from the most unexpected places. You know that blissful state, cruising along, tunes blasting, lost in your thoughts? Yeah, that's the culprit. The biggest driving mistake you're probably making is zoning out. Spacing out, as the cool kids call it, is a silent killer. You're there, but you're not there. Your mind is off on its own little adventure, while your car just keeps rolling. Sounds harmless, right? Wrong. A few seconds of inattention is all it takes for disaster to strike. Picture this. You're driving home thinking about that delicious burger you're about to devour. Suddenly, you slam on the brakes because the car in front stopped like 10 seconds ago. You were too busy planning your burger strategy to notice. Or imagine this, you're lost in a daydream, belting out your favorite song, off key, of course. You miss your turn, now you're driving around in circles, desperately trying to find your way back. We've all been there. These might sound funny, but trust me, they can quickly turn into real-life nightmares. Speaking of nightmares, let me tell you about the time I almost became a human bumper sticker. I was driving down a beautiful California highway, sun shining, music playing, and my mind, well, it was on vacation somewhere. Suddenly, a car swerved into my lane. I slammed on the brakes, narrowly avoiding a collision. My heart was racing, my palms were sweaty. It was a wake-up call. That day I learned the hard way that staying focused behind the wheel is not just a suggestion, it's a necessity. So next time you're on the road, remember, keep your eyes on the prize, which in this case is not crashing. Stay present, stay alert, and arrive alive.